Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Noru Sokudo full gauntlet gloves. Noru. This is a new brand to the industry. This has come from one of our premier distribution partners, Helmet House, that has two house brands I'm sure you're already familiar with. Those would be Core-Tech and Tourmaster. Each one of those has earned an excellent reputation over many years in the industry. With this brand, the concept was really simple, was to come to market with a new line of street riding apparel that offers unmatched value. Having looked over the gloves and the footwear thus far, I would have to say they hit it spot on. Let's talk about this pair of gloves right here. This is going to blow you away, okay? The price point of these gloves. Retail is going to be $69.99. You're going to see these sold for as low as $34.99. As I understand it, there'll be different sale periods throughout the year, so you might see a little movement in the price, right? But $34.99 will be the lowest one. That is tremendous value for this glove. Sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves. That's what I have on. These fit and feel absolutely amazing right out of the bag, okay? We have full leather construction, some reflective there, right? We've got knuckle protector, some active vents there. They're using a stretch fabric in between the fingers. That's also going to flow some air to help keep you cool and comfortable. Little vent here on the back of the hand. Safety strap at the wrist. Enter and exit here with Velcro. Touchscreen compatibility. We have multiple layers here in the area where your hands touch the bars to keep the service life a little higher. Right? We have some synthetic suede here that is going to be another layer to help manage abrasion. Got an additional layer here over the pinky. That's also the impact zone. These aren't overly technical, okay? I mean, let's be realistic. We're talking about something that's going to sell as low as $34.99. Are these as good as a $250 pair of Alpine-style race gloves? Well, the answer to that is no, they're not. These are, considering the price, a tremendous value, right? If you're a street rider, you're working with a budget, you're looking for a good quality pair, super affordable gauntlet gloves, this is a great option. I'm excited to see how well these perform once they're in the field for a couple of years. What kind of longevity are customers getting out of it? Because that's really where the value will be understood. And you don't know the answer to those questions until it's been around for a while. This is a brand new brand for sure. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.